Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that in the last class we were discussing the letter to editor which will be there in your next revision test. So as of now we have uh, discussed format and a question from last year's question paper were given to you as homework. So let us go through the answer, as many of you have sent me the answer on my WhatsApp, and same also was discussed in online classes. So let us go through the answer. You can match your answer and also where you are making mistakes. Okay. And also must practice and avoid making mistakes regarding format and regarding content. The question which was given in homework is: the youngsters of the modern era are morally bankrupt. Write a letter to the editor of the local daily expressing your opinion on the same in not more than 120 words. You are Reshma Rajat. Okay, this is the question. So let's write down the address was 2012/24 Shastriya Colony, Ambala. Shastriya Colony, Ambala. Shastri Colony, Ambala. Then date, February. You can also write this way, but I recommend you to write this way. 1st February. Yes, it is one digit. It is of one digit now. So I recommend you to write this way simply. Okay. 1st February 2021. Okay. You can also write in this format. 1st February 2021. That one also correct. Then the editor, the name of the newspaper, the Delhi Times. Name of the local newspaper. Sorry, let me repeat and write down correctly. The Delhi Times. The editor, the Delhi Times, Delhi. Okay. After that, you will have to write a subject. We discussed the format and this much. What we have discussed just now, this address and date yesterday too in my last video. At the end of the video you can watch these things. Now salutation. Salutation, you can write salutation first or subject later, but I recommend you to write subject first then salutation. Okay, subject. So what is the subject according to question? Yesterday I also discussed the subject need to inculcate moral values among youngsters. Okay, need to inculcate moral values among youngsters. After that, salutation, sir. Through the columns, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I would like to express my opinion. I would like to express my opinion on the subject mentioned above. Okay, or you can also write here. You can also write I wish to draw. I wish to draw the attention of kind masses, or attention of common masses, sorry, attention of common masses through the columns of your steamed newspaper. I wish to draw the attention of common masses towards the subject mentioned above. Towards the subject mentioned above, or you can also write the subject like you can write towards human and moral values in the youngsters of the modern era. So instead of writing subject, as we have already mentioned it in the subject, so that is why we need not rewrite it here. Okay, we need not write it again. So we can write towards the subject mentioned above. Now next paragraph. It goes without saying, next paragraph, it goes without saying, that our youngsters tend to avoid, youngsters tend to avoid, it goes without saying that, should be that here, it goes without saying that our youngsters tend to avoid our long cherished traditions, tend to avoid our long cherished traditions, okay, which are based on values, Let me rub it and then write down. Let me show you here. Okay. Through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of common masses toward the subject mentioned above. It goes without saying that our youngsters tend to avoid our long cherished traditions, which are based on values. Let me rub it and then write down. Which are based on values. Which are based on values. They never display sympathetic attitude. They never display sympathetic. They never display sympathetic attitude towards the fellow human beings, towards the fellow human beings, towards the fellow human beings. They are not respectful to women, elders. They are not respectful to women, elders. They are not respectful to women, elders, and children. They are not habitual of speaking polite words. They are not habitual of speaking polite. They are not habitual of speaking polite words. They are not habitual of speaking polite words. The youngsters do not respect their teachers and parents. Let's change the paragraph. The youngsters do not respect their parents. The youngsters do not respect their parents as well as teachers. What more we can write? I believe that we have to be tactful in making young. I believe. Let me rub it and then write down. No? Okay. This paragraph will continue. Or we can do one thing. As we are describing the problem, so don't change paragraph here. This line should be written in the same paragraph. Okay. This line also should be written in the same paragraph. Okay. So the youngsters do not respect their parents as well as teachers. I believe that we have to be tactful. Now change the paragraph and write, I believe that we have to be tactful. I believe that we have to be tactful in making the young morally sound. In making the young morally sound. In making the young morally sound, we should make them realize the significance. I believe that we have to be tactful in making the young morally sound. We should make them realize the significance of values. We cannot retain our calm and cool if we do not follow our values. The youngsters are to be taken beyond the books and syllabus. Are to be taken beyond the books and syllabus. Okay. I believe that we have to be tactful in making the young morally sound. We should make them realize the significance of values. We cannot retain our calm and cool if we do not follow our values. The youngsters are to be taken beyond the books and syllabus. So let me rub it and write down the remaining part of this later. its date is also wrong, dear student. There should be 01/2 2021, but by mistake I have written 20. Earlier I wrote 2020. Okay, now let us finish it. To make them emotionally here to be taken beyond the books and syllabus, to make them emotionally, to make them emotionally, to make them emotionally attached with the fellow beings, attached with the fellow being. Okay, I request you to give some space. Now request to the editor. I request you to give some space in to my ideas. We have better if we write give some space to my ideas in your steamed newspaper. In your steamed newspaper. Okay, then yours truly, after leaving a blank line, yours truly, Rajat. Okay, and girls will be writing Reshma. Okay, so it's all about the letter which were given as homework in last class. Now I am going to review and going to give you more questions regarding this. More questions on a letter to editor, which you must practice. And these all questions which I am going to give you, they have been asked in CBSE examination in different CBSE examination. I have taken them in various years board examination question papers. Yoga, question for practice. Yoga is a boon to mankind. Yoga is a boon to yoga is a boon to mankind. Yoga is a boon to mankind. It keeps us healthy and strong. It keeps us healthy and it keeps us healthy and strong. Write a letter to the editor. Write a letter to the editor. Write a letter to the editor of the Tribune, of any editor of the Hindu, expressing your ideas on the importance of expressing your ideas on the importance of yoga, importance of yoga. Why should be capital here? In not more than 120 words. In not more than 120 words. In not more than 120 words. You are Anjali Amit. You are Anjali Amit of 10/20 Rajvihar Colony, New Delhi. Okay. You can take the screenshot or you may pause the video. Write down. Let me show you the whole question. Yoga is a boon to mankind. It keeps us healthy and strong. Write a letter to the editor of the Hindu. It should be off here. Expressing your ideas on the importance of yoga in not more than 120 words. You are Anjali Amit of 10/20 Rajvihar Colony, New Delhi. Okay. So dear students, it is the same type of letter which we have just discussed. Using the same format, you should complete this answer. Okay. So you must again and again I have discussed, we should never make mistakes regarding format. Your format is very important while writing the letter. Each and everything regarding format you should keep in mind. You all must answer to this question, and just now I have discussed the answer of the question which was given in homework in last video. You can match your answers. It is just a sample letter. It is not like that you will be writing the same content. Your content, your words and the way of sentence framing may vary, but it should be grammatically correct. Okay, so answer to this question I'll discuss in my next video. Okay, so thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow with answer to this question, and we'll be practicing some more questions. and tomorrow also you are going to appear in your next revision test, in which letter to writer will be there. So practice well.